Sir, the moment that sub went silent and I thought I heard some singing, I heard something in the background, real faint. And then, after all those subs took off, I caught it again, and I managed to get it on tape. I washed it through the computer a few times, and I was able to isolate this sound. When I asked the computer to identify it, what I got was magma displacement. See, sir, the SAP's software was originally written to look for seismic events. And I think when it gets confused, it kind of runs home to Momo.
I'm not following you, Joansy.
Sir, I'm sorry. Listen to it at 10 times speed. Now that's gotta be man-made, Captain. All right.
Have I got this straight, Joansy? A $40 million computer tells you you're chasing an earthquake, but you don't believe it. And you come up with this on your own.
Yes, sir.
Including all the navigation
Sir,
there.
I've got all the...
Relax, Joansy. You sold me.